elenzeka eminyakeni engaphezulu kwama40 edlule kubikwa ukuthi amaphoyisa obandlululo aqhumisa ngebhomu abafundi abane ababengamalungu enhlangano abafundi khosa semayini eseKrugersdorp. Labafundi bashonela ngaphakathi kule ndawo ecushwe ngeziqhumane kwasindo yedwa owalimala kabi. Inkantolo namhlanje inqume ukuthi abasolwa babekwa amacala enzeka ngesikhathi sikahulumeni wobandlululo.
The seriousness of crimes against humanity must be prosecuted irrespective of when they occurred. Therefore, there is no period within which such charges must be brought. A delay in prosecution is not a defence in law to these crimes, nor does it waiver the state's right to prosecute.
Lesinqumo senkantolo sizovulela indlela ukuqulwa kwamanye amacala enzeka ngesikhathi sikahulumeni wencindezelo.
As you have noted over the years in South Africa, is that there's been a delay. We have not made significant progress in dealing with apartheid charges domestically. And so the hope, not just as the Foundation for Human Rights and our pro bono partners and lawyers, but as the families particularly, is that now we will be able to deal with these crimes internationally and perhaps get relief in other international forums and widen the search for truth and justice.
Imndeni ithi nakuba sekuphele iminyaka kwenzeka lesigameko kepha ikapholi.
We are really pleased that the judge took a firm stance today, and there is at least a way forward.
Icala lihlehliselo lwesithathu.